Yeah, baby. Yeah. You know, there was a story that went pretty viral not long ago about, I think it was a lemonade stand like this kid behind me, that got shut down by the city for like tax purposes or something so dumb. Some old Karen called the city on these kids that set up a lemonade stand, and they had to shut it down. Old people need to shut up. We're so tired. I'm 33, and I know everyone 40 and under is tired of people 60 and up opening their stupid, fat, stupid mouths. Because there's a reason, there's a reason why you don't see kids outside doing anything anymore. Because they're not allowed to, because old Karens complain. There's a reason why municipalities have no skateboard signs up. They put stuff up so kids can't skate. They can't just go out. It's funny too, because when they were young, they were outside walking around doing stuff because there was nothing to do inside. And now they yell at them when they're outside. The mind boggles, buddy. Truthfully, old people, you're done. Okay, you fucked everything up, for lack of better terms. You fucked everything up. Okay, there's a reason why today we can't do anything. We can't do anything anymore. Now, I'm not young, I'm not out here skateboarding and stuff, but I was once, and I cannot tell you how many times I had some old Ken or Karen come up to me and my buddies and just fucking yell at us and try to get us in trouble and all this other shit. It's just, they're so entitled. They're so entitled. It just, oh my God, it's disgusting. It disgusts me. But then they turn around and bitch, moan, and complain about how kids just aren't doing anything anymore. They don't know how to do anything anymore. Our kids are more physically weak than other nations, because you don't let them go out and do anything anymore. You always bitch and complain. Holy crap. Oh my God. Just shut up. There was a time when you could basically go out and do whatever you want. And life was grand. And I was born right at the tail end of that. Born, not grew up, born. Where my cousins, who were, 10 years older than me, born in 1980, telling me how great the world was, how easy everything was. You could go out and buy your grandma cigarettes. You could, it didn't matter. Nothing. Everything was so laid back. But now, everyone's so uptight. Everyone's so quick to tattle on everybody else. Just wild. Yeah. Listen. You see an old person out there doing something stupid, call them out. They can't, the entitlement is just too much. And they need to be reminded that their time is over. It's time for you to retire. It's time for you to shut up. If you're still holding on to some CEO, CFO, whatever position, or you're still in the Senate, the House of Representatives, get out. Make way for the younger ones. And when I say younger, we're talking minimum 40 years old. You know what I mean? Because you have to prove yourself in life before you just get elected. There's some 30-year-old elected officials out there, but you got to prove yourself. You got to go around the block a couple times. But when you've just been sitting and festering in your position for so long, you don't know the new stuff, right? And that's a little vague, sure, but there's new ideas and there's new technologies and there's new ways of doing things that are either more efficient, that take less man hours, so you can have your employees work less while making the same amount of profit. Oh, that's another thing, profits. But you know, it's just time for you to just stop. You need to stop. You are too old. And there is such a thing, and you can call me ageist. I am an ageist. Very much so. Very much an ageist. Let the kids do what kids are gonna do. Okay? It's not, you're not their parents. Okay? Let the parents parent. Get out of our house, get out of our life. Go to Florida. Buy your little, you know, beachside house, condo, and just shut up. You know, watch your Fox News, watch your CNN, go to freaking Bingo, and just shut up. We're tired of hearing you. We're so tired of it, and I know I speak for many, if not everybody. We're fucking tired of old people. And do not come at me with old white men. Do not. It's just old people. Okay? Everyone is equally stupid. Doesn't matter what fucking color you are. Doesn't matter how tall you are. Boy, girl, doesn't matter. Once you get to a certain age, you're done. You're just stupid. You're in your ways. You think you're better than people. You think that you're better just because you're older. You think you're wiser. Well, you're wiser in the sense that the things the way you, if we didn't progress, if things weren't getting faster, if technology wasn't progressing, I mean, things weren't getting faster, if we didn't have like the internet and all this stuff, then yeah, you guys would be wise. You know, you would be the elders, but you don't know what the Google is, right? The Facebook. You guys are just so detached from the modern world and the issues that the modern American is dealing with. You just don't get it, and you also don't care, to be frank. We all know that you don't care. So anyway, the next election, now I'm a pretty firm Trump supporter. You know, you don't have to like it, just how I don't have to like if you're a Biden supporter. But we can all agree, I'm pretty sure, that we need term limits on everything. There should be, you know, unless it's a privately owned business, you know, you're good. But with government and with corporations, CEOs, CFOs, senators, House representatives, you know, Senate seats, whatever, like public official positions need to be capped at 55. 50-fucking-5. My dad's almost 60, and he's just old school about shit, you know. And I'm telling, sometimes he won't listen. They won't listen. They think they're better. They think they're better than the up and comers, you know. When it's just a different world we live in. I was born, the internet was out. They were born, they had freaking 8 tracks. They had shit on vinyl. I had MP3s. I don't know. Set term limits for our senators, for our elected officials. Set a maximum age of 55, minimum age 30. This 35 bullshit, get the fuck out of here. 30. You don't have to be old to be smart. Okay, there's some freaking geniuses out there that are young. And then with corporations, set a maximum limit for the CFO, CEO position, 55 years old. After that, you're done. Hey, also, government, lower the retiring age. People working till they die. Are you kidding me? What kind of life is that? Anyway, I'm gonna get rolling. I'll see you guys in the next one.